Now, shortly after the Minister of National Security revealed an uptick in the amount of sexual abuse cases being reported across the country, a local attorney is chiming in on the topic, noting that there are a number of incestual cases on Grand Bahama. Here's Simone Davis with the details.
I mean, all these cases I've been hearing now with the sexual abuse of children by parents. It reminds me, was it Shakespeare who said there's something rotten in the state of Denmark? Well, there's something rotten in the Bahamas.
Local attorney Constance McDonald says her biggest concern was sexual abuse cases within families have not always been reported. And last week, Minister of National Security, the Honorable Wayne Monroe, told our ZNS News team that it is difficult to confirm that there has been an increased number of incest cases in the country, but notes that there is an increase in the amount of cases being reported. He also said more victims are speaking up, leading to more arrests of sexual offenders. McDonald is urging victims and the parents of minors to report abuse, even if it's against a relative.
I have a problem within families, people knowing that these things are happening. They're not informing on the perpetrator, and they're not doing anything about it. I remember a situation with this young girl. She tried to commit suicide, and the mother asked her why. And she said, you know that the family member was assaulting me, and you did nothing. You see, we have to stop this nonsense. You don't want to offend people. And a lot of people get by because they are big and in your face, and people feel intimidated. No, you see, because if you don't tell on him, you're leaving him, well, you're responsible for the next person, he does it too.
McDonald emphasized the importance of the sexual offenders registered list, but noted that it still doesn't completely protect possible victims.
That is the importance of sexual offences registry, except that with that registry, you would only be dealing with convicted persons. It doesn't help those persons who have not been even tried for an assault or rape, or it doesn't even help because you would have to be convicted first. You see what I mean? And in the Bahamas, of course, you're innocent until proven guilty. That's in the Constitution. And so we have to be more vigilant.
Minister Monroe also revealed that the Royal Bahamas Police Force implemented a unit to protect victims and survivors who may be contemplating on whether or not they should speak up. For the Bahamas Tonight, the Northern Edition, I'm Simone Davis.